This is an old HP G60 notebook that was released back in 2009. It was given to me by my grandpa, and it works. Sorta. I don't think laptops are supposed to sound like that. It's cool. It just sat on a shelf after being used for half its life, so it accumulated a lot of dust and dust bunnies and dead bugs. This thing had a lot of dead bugs. My experience when it comes to tech repairs was the DSi in the last video and my personal Apple Watch that I broke, fixed, and then broke not too long after. Now, when I say this thing was extremely annoying to take apart, I mean it was excruciatingly annoying to take apart. Yeah, you see me unscrewing a lot and making it seem like I know what I'm doing, but that's just the magic of editing, baby. For the 20 minutes of runtime that this video is, it took me probably a total of 2 hours to complete the entire repair. Well, repair. I didn't repair anything. I took it apart, cleaned the fan, and put it together. Taking apart a laptop sounds cool, and imagining doing it is another thing. But once you sit down without a guide or any idea of what you're doing to actually do it, that's where the frustration sets in. For example, this space right here has a cord underneath it. And while I was trying to unplug that cord, this happened. That's where my frustration sets in. Now, here's the thing. I don't entirely know what the cord did, nor am I going to buy a replacement for it. But, lucky for me, it didn't seem to do anything. It still got power. So maybe I'll just chalk that up to a whoops and move on.
such a sucky ass place to put a fucking screw.
There are very few things in this world that frustrate me enough to where I have to set up a camera, sit down with my microphone, and talk about my frustrations. The screw placement on this display drives me insane. So you're telling me that this is the only optimal way to get the screw out of that display? Nuh-uh. I'm not gonna take that sitting down. All right, maybe. here's where the fun begins. So my whole goal in this entire project was I wanted to put Windows 11 on this 2009 HP notebook. Windows 7, Get out of here. We are a Windows 11 only family. And Apple. But before we could do any of that, I had a bit of an issue. You saw that, right? The screen flashed black for a split second. And I'm not a tech genius or anything, but I don't think laptops are supposed to do that. Well, guess we'll just call it quits here. Sorry.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
The damn thing turned on. I don't know how, but by the grace of God or something, it just woke up. Hey, I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna put a new personality on it.
Listen to the... So the trackpad works. That's cool. God. It's coming. It's coming. There it is. There it is. The slowest Windows 11 startup screen. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. I now have Windows 11. Why does it run kind of fast? But it's really chugging along. Sounds like a jet engine. Let's put up a video. It works. I'm surprised that it runs it somewhat decently. Typically, we're gonna be taking a look at not the case. This is one of my cases. All right, shut up. There we go. I have Windows 11 on this fucking beast of a thing. Well, let's kill it. it just died. Well, we did it. I never want to open that or another laptop ever again.
And we did it. I successfully put Windows 11 onto an old 2009 HP laptop. I genuinely had fun with this experience. It absolutely pissed me off, but I accomplished what I wanted, so gotta find a win in something. I never fully expect the amount of frustration that I'll get when doing these types of repairs, but I'm pretty sure if I were to take apart like a modern day MacBook or something, I would have way more difficulty with that. So you gotta find the wins in something. This was a different style of repair video compared to the last two I did, so if you enjoyed it, go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and comment if you have any tips or suggestions for what I could have done better, what I could have avoided, or maybe that I shouldn't have made this whole video in the first place. And thank you for stopping by. Remember to adopt, don't shop. Have a fantastic day. Later.